Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you what to do when you are dice capped. Now this means that you don't have any dice left to play. Now this is very easy, just listen and follow along. Now the first thing, go down to albums and actually go down to the save right here and try to get as many stars as possible, because these saves actually give you dice to play with. The second thing what you can do is when you reach level 35, which I'm not right now, but you simply go down to the bottom left right here and you actually play the tournaments and wait till you actually get the tournaments done, because that will give you dice to play with. What you could also do is simply go down to your let's finish this 1 second. Let's get it, the large highs. What you could also do is the second thing, the third thing actually, is by going down into your build right here and simply finishing the builds in order, because this will give a build frenzy which allows you to get more dice. And also when you reach another level, which I'm about to reach right here, you probably receive some dice for playing as well. Now let's check if it gives me dice. Sadly this wall level doesn't, but as you can see right there, it would give me dice to play with. Now these are some easy methods to get dice. What you could also do is simply wait, and here you see the daily challenges which also give you dice to play with. What you could also do is simply wait till you run out of dice, and the game will replenish your dice and give you dice to play with. Now if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave them down in the comments and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching.